Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I will show you how you could get a DR90 backlink that is contextual and do follow. So I will walk you through step by step how you can create this do follow backlink. It will be contextual, and the greatest part about it is you will be able to build as many of these as you could possibly build in a day. So let's go ahead and just jump right in. Let's not waste any time. So for this tutorial, we will be using tempmailaddress.com. They have been working. They're a little bit newer on the scene, so this is what we'll be using today. So what we'll do is we're going to marketplace.whmcs.com/register. So what you will want to do is go ahead and put in your name, your company name, email address, password, and then confirm your password. So we'll go ahead and do that now. So you will want to go ahead and agree to the terms, and then you will receive a registration email that comes directly to the inbox. So you will want to go ahead and sign up. So we're just going to wait for that briefly. So you will want to go ahead and confirm it. So we're going to confirm it. This is the process if you decide to use this temporary email. So what we'll do is we'll right click and we're going to open in a new window. Wait for that to load a bit. So once we have actually confirmed that, we will put our name and password in, or our email and our password. All right, now once we are in, pointing both links to the same site, there's no added benefit. However, if you point one link to the homepage and one link to a blog post, you will see a boost on that blog post. So I want to go ahead and point that out to you. Now, once you are on this page, this is where it gets fun. And I think I walked through a different way to do this, but what we're going to go ahead and do today is we're going to go to my account. You go into your profile, but this is not your WHMCS profile like I showed in a past video. This is going to be something a little bit more special. So we're going to go to the group membership, and what's great about these group memberships is not only can you create multiple accounts and still have another profile link, but you can create multiple groups, interlink them, link them to each other, and then link out. I mean, you could get completely insane with these do follow backlinks. So let me quit my jabber and let's get over here. What you're going to do is go ahead and create a new group. So there is some optional information here to the right hand side that you can fill out. I'm going to go ahead and take the time to fill that out now. So let's do that now. Now, I always feel that any link that's indexable, it's always good to go ahead and put all of the information that you possibly can. And let's move on over here. So you will have your required name and your display name. Now, make sure that these are relevant to your business or brand. Put keywords in, and then below here, I'll step you into that as soon as I get done with this. Now, you will not want to put any spaces. We'll have to use dashes. All right. Now, in this description field, think of this as a way to put yourself an article, put something that is highly keyword dense. And then up at the top here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a citation. And what this will entail is your name, address, and phone number. And that's exactly what we're going to put up here. All right. Now, the part we've been waiting for. All right. So after you have went ahead and completed every single step, you've added the display name, the name, your description, you filled all of this out. I want to go ahead and show you how you can add the contextual backlink to your article to make a guest post of sorts. This will be a contextual link to go with your website URL, which will be do follow, and also your support link. So in order to add a contextual backlink to your article here, what you will need to do is you'll need to add a bracket, your keyword, this will be your anchor text, and then you're going to put another bracket, this type, and you're going to put your link. All right, so you put the two brackets like this, that's your anchor, no spaces in between, and then other brackets, you need to put your URL inside of that. Now you can go completely insane with this and add as many as you want, but for this example, I'm going to just go ahead and add 2. No, make sure that you don't mess up like I did. All right, now that should do it. All right, now let's go ahead and give it a view. All right, as you can see, we have 2 do follow contextual backlinks. We have our NAP, and we have created a group profile. Now, what you can do is inside of your account, you can always feel free, and I'll go ahead and just walk you through just to show you what you could do now with this. You just go back to your profile, and what's really great about this was to go back to group membership, and we can create yet another group targeting yet other keywords and other sites. I mean, we can really suck a lot of equity out of this website, create a lot of backlinks, create groups, interlink them together. My name is Chris Palmer. If you have any questions about how to get do follow backlinks, link building strategies, creating backlinks, SEO, local SEO, digital marketing, Facebook ads, really anything digital marketing related, please feel free to leave it in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next How to Get Backlinks, Do Follow Backlinks video. Have a wonderful day.